Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today I am going to be planning in my social media, and it is for the week of July 5th through the 11th. First and foremost, I am going to glue down the page that I have created to this planner, which is the Modern Year Dashboard Layout Happy Planner. It is a classic size. I do that so I can combine all of my planners together. So there, this is now stuck together forever. Let's go ahead and pull the pages out. I am going to be using the Wonderlust sticker book. It is my absolute favorite book right now. I don't know why, but it simply is. I can't stop using it, probably because it's so girly. Okay, and I wanted to say thank you. If you are already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. I actually have a giveaway going on just for you guys, the ones who are already subscribed. And if you are brand new, welcome. I hope that you like it here, and if you do, don't forget to subscribe. I am going to use those beautiful kind of rosy stickers from Live Love Posh. I think this is beautiful. So I'm going to go ahead and add this beautiful rose color to both of the pages and apply quite a bit of it. Okay, we're gonna add some Chanel bags because why not? And I do have to say that the new page that I have created for myself is helping me quite a bit. I was surprised how much I really do use it and how convenient it became for me to use it. Okay, and another Chanel bag. Beautiful. This will be a very quick plan with me. Nothing really major is going to be happening in here. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Bags and heels are definitely my thing. Okay, so I'm just adding a little tiny things to my page to make it look even cuter, because I really love it. I love these shoes. And then let's add Eiffel Tower right there. And then fashion. Elegant is when the inside is as beautiful as the outside. Hence, you need confidence to look good. Okay. I want to see if I could add this black and white washi anywhere, but I don't think so. If I choose to do this, I will do it after I write in it. But this page is so beautiful already that I don't foresee that happening. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed the spread. Let me know down below what you think. Have a great week. Bye!